What's up everybody? So today I'm going to box my new Nike Dunks Low Cyber Black. So let's get it started. Oh, I got the box over here, so let's open it right now. I'm just gonna pull it out, so yeah, it's gonna be hard. Yes sir, this is how it looks like. So yes sir, this is how it looks like, this black version. Yeah, look at the blue one inside. The only thing I like about this one because it glows. So that's a cool feature. So yeah, this is a good pair. I like this one, the cyber black. So yeah, in the bottom, this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Kind of getting dark, but yeah, if you like this video, follow me on TikTok and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.